Welcome back to the channel. If you love baking or want to make meal prep faster and easier, investing in a great stand mixer can completely transform your kitchen. In today's video, we're counting down the K's. Top 8 Best Stand Mixers of 2026. Carefully selected for power, performance, versatility, and overall value. Whether you're mixing bread dough, whipping cream, or preparing large batches of batter, these kitchen game changers are built to handle it all with ease. Let's dive in and find the perfect stand mixer for your cooking and baking needs. On number 1 buys, the Rostbake temperature-controlled 7.4 QT stand mixer is a premium kitchen appliance designed for serious home bakers who want consistent results when preparing bread, pizza, sourdough, cakes, and pastries. Its standout feature is the double-wall temperature-controlled cooling bowl, which helps maintain an ideal dough temperature during mixing, promoting better gluten development and more consistent fermentation. Combined with a spacious 7.4-quart stainless steel bowl, 11-speed dial control, and a low-noise motor, this mixer is well-equipped to handle everything from light batters to heavy bread doughs with ease. In real-world use, the large-capacity bowl is ideal for preparing family-sized batches, while the multiple speed settings provide precise control for kneading, whipping, mixing, and folding ingredients. The planetary mixing action ensures even ingredient incorporation, and the quiet motor makes it comfortable to use in any kitchen without excessive noise. Its modern gray finish and sturdy construction give it a premium appearance that complements contemporary kitchens. Pros: innovative temperature-controlled double-wall cooling bowl for optimal dough preparation, large 7.4-quart capacity, with powerful 11-speed performance for a wide range of baking tasks, and quiet, durable design with intuitive dial controls for smooth operation. Cons: larger footprint requires more countertop or storage space. Premium features may make it more expensive than standard stand mixers. And the cooling bowl provides the greatest benefit primarily for frequent bread and sourdough bakers, rather than occasional users. Overall, the temperature-controlled 7.4 QT stand mixer offers outstanding value for baking enthusiasts and home chefs, making it a highly recommended choice for anyone seeking a high-capacity, feature-rich mixer that delivers consistent, professional-quality results for bread, pizza, sourdough, and everyday baking. On number 2 is the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer, KSM 150PS, is one of the most trusted and versatile stand mixers on the market, offering exceptional performance, durability, and timeless design for both beginner and experienced home bakers. Powered by a robust motor and featuring a 5-quart stainless steel mixing bowl, 10-speed settings, a convenient tilt-head design, and a pouring shield for mess-free ingredient additions, it effortlessly handles everything from cookie dough and cake batter to bread dough, whipped cream, and mashed potatoes. In real-world use, the mixer delivers smooth, consistent planetary mixing that thoroughly incorporates ingredients with minimal scraping, while its solid metal construction provides excellent stability and long-lasting reliability. The tilt-head mechanism makes changing attachments and accessing the bowl quick and convenient, and the iconic attachment hub supports a wide range of optional accessories, transforming the mixer into a versatile kitchen workstation for pasta making, meat grinding, vegetable slicing, and more. Finished in an elegant matte black, it adds a premium, modern look to any kitchen countertop. Pros: durable, all-metal construction with powerful and reliable mixing performance. Versatile 10-speed operation with a 5-quart capacity, suitable for most baking needs, and compatible with numerous KitchenAid attachments for expanded functionality. Cons: premium price compared to many entry-level stand mixers, heavier than most competitors due to its solid construction, and very large batches of dense dough may require stepping up to a larger bowl lift model. Overall, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer offers exceptional value through its outstanding performance, legendary durability, and unmatched versatility, making it a highly recommended choice for home bakers, cooking enthusiasts, and anyone seeking a premium stand mixer that will provide years of dependable service. On number 3 is The Hamilton Beach Professional All-Metal 5-Quart Stand Mixer 63240 is a powerful and well-built kitchen appliance that delivers reliable mixing performance at a more affordable price than many premium competitors. Featuring a 450-watt motor, a durable all-metal construction, a 5-quart stainless steel bowl, 12-speed settings, a convenient tilt-back head, and an attachment hub for optional accessories, it is designed to handle everything from cake batters and cookie dough to bread dough, pizza dough, and whipped cream with ease. In real-world use, the planetary mixing action ensures thorough and even ingredient incorporation, while the powerful motor provides consistent performance when mixing dense doughs. The stainless steel bowl offers ample capacity for family-sized recipes, and the tilt-back head allows easy access for changing attachments or adding ingredients. Included accessories such as the flat beater, dough hook, and wire whisk cover most everyday baking tasks, while the sturdy all-metal body minimizes vibration and enhances long-term durability. Pros: durable all-metal construction with a powerful 450-watt motor, 12-speed control with planetary mixing for consistent results, and spacious 5-quart stainless steel bowl with an attachment hub for added versatility. Cons: heavier than many plastic body stand mixers, optional attachments are not as widely available as KitchenAid accessories, and it can become slightly noisy at higher speed settings. Overall, the Hamilton Beach Professional All-Metal 5-Quart Stand Mixer offers excellent value for money and is highly recommended for home bakers seeking a durable, high-performance stand mixer, with premium features, solid construction, and dependable everyday performance at a competitive price. On number 4 is the Camic 8.45 QT All-Metal Stand Mixer is a high-capacity kitchen appliance built for home bakers and cooking enthusiasts who regularly prepare large batches of dough, batter, and desserts. Featuring a durable all-metal construction, an extra-large 8.45-quart stainless steel mixing bowl, 10-speed control, a convenient digital timer, and a tilt-head design, this mixer is designed to handle everything from bread and pizza dough to cakes, cookies, whipped cream, and salads with ease. In real-world use, the powerful motor and planetary mixing action ensure thorough and consistent ingredient incorporation, even with heavy doughs. The digital timer adds convenience by allowing users to monitor mixing times for more accurate recipes, while the tilt head mechanism provides easy access to the bowl for adding ingredients or changing attachments. The included whisk, dough hook, and flat beater cover a wide range of baking and cooking tasks, and the sturdy all-metal body minimizes vibration while providing excellent long-term durability. The elegant white finish also gives the mixer a clean, modern appearance that complements any kitchen decor. Pros: extra-large 8.45-quart capacity, ideal for family-sized and bulk recipes, durable all-metal construction, with a digital timer and 10-speed precision control, and includes essential attachments for mixing, kneading, whipping, and baking. Cons: larger size requires more countertop and storage space, heavier than standard stand mixers due to its solid metal construction, and may be oversized for users who typically prepare small batches. Overall, the 8.45 QT all-metal stand mixer offers outstanding value for serious home bakers, delivering powerful performance, premium durability, and convenient features that make it a highly recommended choice for preparing bread, pizza, cakes, cookies, and a wide variety of homemade recipes. On number 5 is the Kenmore Ovation 500W electric stand mixer is a stylish and capable kitchen appliance designed for home bakers who want reliable performance, modern features, and an elegant design. Powered by a 500-watt motor, it features 10 speed settings, a 5-quart glass mixing bowl, a convenient tilt-head design, and comes complete with a splash guard, flat beater, dough hook, and wire whisk, making it suitable for preparing everything from bread dough and pizza dough to cakes, cookies, whipped cream, and frostings. In real-world use, the powerful motor and planetary mixing action provide consistent and even ingredient incorporation, while the transparent glass bowl allows users to easily monitor mixing progress without stopping the machine. The tilt-head mechanism makes changing attachments and adding ingredients quick and convenient, and the splash guard helps reduce mess when mixing at higher speeds. Its sturdy construction minimizes vibration, while the elegant gray finish gives the mixer a premium appearance that complements both modern and traditional kitchens. Pros: powerful 500W motor with 10-speed control for versatile mixing performance. Durable 5-quart glass bowl with splash guard for easy monitoring and cleaner operation, and includes essential accessories for baking, whipping, and kneading with a convenient tilt head design. Cons: the glass bowl is heavier and more fragile than stainless steel alternatives. The 5-quart capacity may be limiting for very large batches, and the mixer occupies a moderate amount of countertop space. Overall, the Kenmore Ovation 500W stand mixer offers excellent value for home bakers seeking dependable performance, premium features, and an attractive design, making it a highly recommended choice for everyday baking, bread making, and a wide variety of kitchen mixing tasks. On number 6 is the Cuisinart SM50 NAS 5.5 quart stand mixer is a premium kitchen appliance that combines powerful performance, elegant design, and versatile functionality for home bakers and cooking enthusiasts. Equipped with a 5.5 quart polished stainless steel bowl, 12 precision speed settings, a durable tilt-back head, and essential accessories including a chef's whisk, mixing paddle, dough hook, and splash guard with a pour spout, it effortlessly handles everything from cake batters and cookie dough to bread, pizza dough, whipped cream, and meringues. In real-world use, the mixer delivers consistent planetary mixing that thoroughly incorporates ingredients for smooth, even results, while the 12-speed control allows precise adjustments for delicate whipping or heavy-duty kneading. The spacious stainless steel bowl is durable, easy to clean, and large enough for family-sized recipes, while the splash guard helps prevent spills and makes adding ingredients during mixing simple and mess-free. Its sturdy construction minimizes vibration, and the elegant white linen finish adds a sophisticated touch to any kitchen countertop. Pros: powerful performance with 12-speed precision control for a wide variety of baking tasks. Spacious 5.5 quart stainless steel bowl with splash guard and convenient pour spout, and durable construction with included whisk, paddle, and dough hook for excellent versatility. Cons: heavier than entry-level stand mixers, optional attachments are more limited compared to some competing brands, and premium features come with a higher price than basic models. Overall, the Cuisinart SM50 NAS stand mixer offers outstanding value for home bakers seeking dependable performance, premium build quality, and versatile functionality, making it a highly recommended choice for preparing bread, cakes, cookies, pastries, and countless other homemade recipes. On number 7 is the GE Tilt Head Electric Stand Mixer is a stylish and dependable kitchen appliance designed to simplify everyday baking and meal preparation. Equipped with a 350-watt motor, 7-speed settings, a spacious 5.3 quart stainless steel bowl, and a convenient tilt head design, it provides reliable performance for mixing cake batter, cookie dough, bread dough, mashed potatoes, whipped cream, and more. The mixer comes complete with a flat beater, dough hook, wire whisk, and pouring shield, giving users everything needed to tackle a wide variety of recipes right out of the box. In real-world use, the planetary mixing action ensures ingredients are blended evenly for consistent results, while the tilt head mechanism makes it easy to add ingredients or switch attachments. The stainless steel bowl is durable, dishwasher-safe, and large enough for family-sized batches, while the pouring shield helps minimize splatters and allows ingredients to be added cleanly during mixing. Finished in an attractive sapphire blue, the mixer adds a vibrant, modern touch to any kitchen countertop. Pros: reliable 350-watt motor with 7-speed settings for everyday baking tasks. Spacious 5.3 quart stainless steel bowl with a convenient pouring shield, and includes essential accessories with a user-friendly tilt head design for easy operation. Cons: the 350-watt motor may be less powerful than premium models when handling very dense bread dough. Only 7-speed settings offer less precision than higher-end mixers, and it lacks an attachment hub for expanding functionality with specialty accessories. Overall, the GE Tilt Head Electric Stand Mixer offers excellent value for home bakers seeking an affordable, durable, and easy-to-use stand mixer, making it a highly recommended choice for everyday baking, cooking, and family meal preparation. On number 8 is the ZACME 8.4 QT Commercial Stand Mixer. Is a powerful commercial-grade kitchen mixer designed for serious home bakers, small businesses, and professional kitchens that require high capacity and reliable mixing performance. Powered by an 800W motor, it features a durable aluminum die-cast body, a large 8.4-quart, 8 liters stainless steel mixing bowl, and meets NSF/ANSI 8 2023 standards for commercial food equipment, making it well-suited for preparing bread dough, pizza dough, cakes, cookies, pastries, and other large-batch recipes. Equipped with a dough hook, flat beater, and wire whisk, it provides the versatility needed for kneading, mixing, whipping, and blending a wide range of ingredients. In real-world use, the high-powered motor and planetary mixing action ensure thorough and consistent ingredient incorporation, even when handling heavy bread or pizza dough. The spacious stainless steel bowl is ideal for large family meals or commercial production, while the sturdy aluminum die-cast construction minimizes vibration and enhances long-term durability. Its intuitive speed controls and stable base make operations smooth and dependable, even during demanding mixing tasks. Pros: powerful 800W motor with an extra-large 8.4-quart capacity for commercial and high-volume baking. Durable aluminum die-cast construction with NSF/ANSI 8 2023 certification for professional-grade reliability, and includes essential attachments for kneading, mixing, and whipping with excellent overall performance. Cons: larger size and heavier weight require ample countertop and storage space, higher price than most residential stand mixers, and may be oversized for users who only prepare small batches occasionally. Overall, the ZACME 8.4 QT Commercial Stand Mixer offers exceptional value for avid bakers, catering businesses, and professional kitchens, making it a highly recommended choice for anyone seeking a durable, high-capacity mixer that delivers powerful, consistent, and commercial-quality performance.